Yo, what is goody, y'all? Y'all already know what time it is. It's banking. I'm here with a tutorial for y'all. I know it's been a minute. Y'all gonna have to forgive me. I've been a little busy, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna get into it. So we're gonna go ahead and knock all this boat down with a one close going with the grain. Now, the reason we're going as low as a one close is because he wants it light. You feel me? So here we go with the zero close, making our first guideline. I always like to curve my phase unless the client requests otherwise, just because it give it a little extra sauce look to the head, and make it fit the head better. But hey, that's how I do. So now we're going in with the electric shaver, balding out the bottom. Make sure you ask your clients first if it's okay. Now y'all know I'll be lining up first, so with the hairspray, we go ahead and spray down the hair and use the blow dryer to dry it into place so it has a nice hold to it. Now we starting this lineup from middle to left to right. I always do it. It just helps it come out a little cleaner. You dig what I'm saying? It's all about preparation. Now with that zero open, we're making our next guideline about an inch thick. Now you rolling with the curve. This particular step needs a lot of detail because if you fuck this shit up, bro, it's not gonna work. So with that 1.5 now, we're going ahead and knocking down the rest of what needs to be knocked down. This isn't really to take off hair, it's just to make sure everything's evened out and begin our fading process. Now you see how I'm holding up his hair. Y'all don't want to cut these people's dreads on top. That's how y'all be doing it. So with this 0.5, we're going ahead and knocking down the rest of that guideline. I started to use the 1.5 down to the point 0.5 and I skipped the 1. That's thanks to some of the clients that I got in my comments and some of the fellow barbers that I got as well. But hey, just remember, this shit is patience. It is a process. Look how clean that shit is looking, bro. Preparation is everything when it comes to this shit. Y'all want to make sure y'all preparing y'all clients for success. He gonna walk out that door a straight assassin, bro. Everybody gonna tap in. Y'all already know.